Apparently, the game that became so viral so fast, called Charlie Charlie, that even alarmed parents and communities, was just an advertising campaign by Warner Brothers, to promote their latest film in which the game is displayed. The film is called The Gallows and shows the story of a board similar to Ouija, which consists of placing two pencils on a sheet laid out as a cross and writing inside each square the words yes and no. People got so easily led by suggestion, to the point where they thought that by asking, "Charlie, Charlie, are you there?" pencils would indicate a yes or no answer in some square. Apart from showing evidence of the great hypnotic power of advertising, it also shows evidence of the power of suggestion, as in many places where children and teenagers tried the game, they reportedly said that the pencils literally moved. But this escalated in such way that, in several places, countless cases of nervous breakdowns occurred in young people, attributed to alleged ghosts and demons. As if that were not enough, even cases of demonic possession were reported. However, in the expectation that the famous dark game generated, before the revelation that it was just a publicity tool, religious and clergy of different faiths expressed that this kind of invocations that seem childish can get open interdimensional doors and cause great damage to those who dare to use them. According to scholars of communication, mass entertainment media play an unimaginably powerful role in collective thought and behavior. In this case, because of the news that developed about this game, the belief in supernatural greatly increased, as well as alleged cases of possession everywhere. Everyone speculated about who Charlie was. Some said it was a child who had committed suicide, others said he had suffered an accident, and there were even those who said that he was a pagan deity of Mexico, who was now allied with the devil.